Let us see the another colligative property, depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. This is indicated delta TF. This is indicated by delta TF. If one want to go through depression in freezing point, he must know about freezing point. అంటే మనం డిప్రెషన్ ఇన్ ఫ్రీజింగ్ పాయింట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలి అంటే ఫ్రీజింగ్ పాయింట్ అంటే ఏంటి అనేది మనకు తెలియాలి. ఫ్రీజింగ్ పాయింట్ అంటే ఏంటి? Let us see what is meant by freezing point. The temperature at which liquid starts to freeze. The temperature at which liquid starts to freeze is said to be temperature at which liquid starts to freeze Okay, the temperature at which liquid starts to freeze is said to be freezing point. Okay, let us see an illustration here to explain depression in freezing point. Okay, so now let us consider a pure solvent of only water. Okay, and when one allowed to cool it or allowed to freeze it, at the freezing point, this gets solidifies. This gets solidifies. Solidification means it is nothing but decreasing in the distance of the molecules. Okay, solidifies. So here for water the freezing point is 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade. Okay, consider this as TF1. TF1. Okay, now let us consider the another case. Here also water is considered as pure solvent when a non-volatile solute B is added. Then after allowed to cooling or freezing, then what will happen? Here also solidification takes place along with non-volatile solute. Solidification takes place along with non-volatile solute. Okay, but this might be -2 degree centigrade. Consider this as TF2. Okay, freezing temperature 2. TF1 is the freezing temperature of pure solvent. TF2 is freezing point of solution. Is it clear? Now let us define delta TF. Delta TF means what? Depression in freezing point. Okay, here what we are observing in this illustration, in first case, being it is pure solvent, the freezing point is 0 degree centigrade. Okay, when you consider water as pure solvent. Okay, next what happened? During the addition of a non-volatile solute, freezing point decreases to -2 degree centigrade. Okay. Overall, the phenomena happening is decreasing in the freezing point. Freezing point అనేది ఇక్కడ తగ్గుతుంది. 0 degrees నుంచి -2 degrees centigrade కి freezing point తగ్గుతుంది. Okay. So now let us define depression in freezing point. Okay. So decrease in freezing point of pure solvent due to addition of non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solute is called as depression in freezing point. Okay. Now delta TF or depression in freezing point can be equated as TF1 minus TF2. Here what is TF1? It is freezing point of pure solvent. What is TF2? It is freezing point of solution containing non-volatile solute. Okay. So this is about depression in freezing point. Now let us know ఎందుకు ఇలా జరుగుతుంది అంటే ఒక నాన్ వాలటైల్ సొల్యూట్ ని యాడ్ చేసినందువల్ల ఫ్రీజింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎందుకు తగ్గుతుంది? ఫ్రీజింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎందుకు తగ్గుతుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, మనం ఫస్ట్ కేసులో చూసినట్టయితే ఓన్లీ వన్ కాంపోనెంట్ సిస్టమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఓన్లీ ప్యూర్ వాటర్ మాత్రమే ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ కాంపోనెంట్ సిస్టమ్. ఇన్ సెకండ్ కేస్ దేర్ ఈస్ టూ కాంపోనెంట్ సిస్టమ్. కాంపోనెంట్ 1 is the pure solvent and component 2 is non-volatile solute. Are you understanding? Being it is difficult to freeze two component system than one component system, you need to decrease the temperature more. Okay, because of that reason the temperature, freezing temperature of the solution that containing non-volatile solute is decreasing like this. Okay, now depression in freezing point is also a colligative property. The magnitude of depression in freezing point depends upon the amount of non-volatile solute added to the pure solvent. Okay, thank you.